What if I can turn your notebook LM boring presentation like these into the super presentation with great infographics and like this one, subtle, good, showcasing every detail. Or these kind of presentations, this is the finest presentation I have ever made with Notebook LM. Before moving on, if you don't know about Notebook LM, or just to give you a recap, Notebook LM is one of the finest AI product that Google has given. You just have to log in and click on Try Notebook. Create a new notebook and you can upload for free 50 sources in PDF, Word, websites, YouTube, connect your drive, and even copy the text. Today, I'm going to be doing a financial statement analysis that was asked to me in my WhatsApp community. And if you haven't joined it, the link is in the description. So, our major works goes around slide deck. So, how does I am turning these boring presentation into these superb cool presentation? I have this resource called as GitHub Awesome Notebook Template. And we have here modern newspaper, sharp edged minimalism, yellow, black, editorial, black, orange, creative agency for seminar use, manga style, magazine style, pink style, and whatnot. So these are actually cool. If you think you're gonna just copy these prompt and put in Notebook LM and tap, your result will come. It will not. These are Japanese and Chinese resources. We as a Hindi and English speaker needs to change it. For financial analysis, I have taken the company Apple Inc. And what we're going to be taking is the latest annual report, that is 2025 10K, and press release of Q2 and Q1 financial statements also. And we're going to come here and upload here. How do we upload? We come to add resources and upload file here. Now what we're going to be doing, let's see, there are a lot of options. But let me take this one. If I copy it and go to this and paste it, what we have to do is to analyze, does it goes with what we want as a result. See, you are a top art director leading Japan's no USA's new economy, Apple Inc. Based on following design definition, generate a creative, focused, high sensibility presentation slide that spark intellectual excitement in business professionals and smartphone generation. Yes, smartphone generation. And then we have to say we have to do financial statement analysis. Okay, next we have to analyze, is there the text inside this going towards English or any other language? So we have pure Japanese. No, we want pure English text specific. If you see anything related to Japanese, Chinese, we have to remove it. And I don't see much here. Yeah. For English, yeah, we just have to put here, and maybe it's just gonna give you a text back, like a text output. But what we're gonna do is, first of all, see if they are actually doing a text back or making a slide deck for us. It's gonna be taking good time, and I always love that I can go back to resources, like for example, where did this text come from? So here it is well highlighted. So now as we have got text, we have to click on slide deck and wait till the slide deck is generated. It will take 2 to 3 minutes because it gives one of the super cool output, and I love to wait for that. So just wait for that. So we have got the results. Let's see it together. Wow, yeah. So this looks really made for Apple. An infographic is superb. So it has actually analyzed those financial statements and have given these, like, if you have to make someone understand how Apple is doing in terms of services, equipments, geographically, this shows everything. The tariff impact scale, oh my god, yes, this one is really important. Regulatory radar, the war chest, EPS flywheel, and this is the last one, the margin multiplier error. Now the next question that must be coming in your mind is, can I edit it? See, you can download PDF and PowerPoint, but what I did, this one is actually by NotebookLM. And when you download, it is actually a picture and nothing else. So you cannot edit this. But I actually tried to go to Adobe and, you know, turn this into PPT and then change it. So if you see, this is like I can edit it, but it has taken all the charm, all the background from the presentation. Even though I can edit it, there's no meaning to it. So these are super cool tricks, but in itself, it is a full information and you can use it as it is. I hope you love this video. Do subscribe us, do join us. The links of community, WhatsApp groups are of course in description. So do join us. Thank you so much.